Welcome to your guide of using the Question Importer tool. The Importer tool allows you to quickly add questions that are in a Microsoft Word format into your course's question library. The Importer tool resides in our course titled Commons Knowledge that you see here. If you do not see the course, be sure to submit a request to be added via the Fresh Desk ticket system. Let's begin. Open the Commons Knowledge course. The Importer tool has been added directly to the home page in the widget you see here. The How to video demonstration is provided as well as question format guidelines. I will begin by clicking on the top link to go directly to the Importer tool. I will be taking my questions from Word and pasting them into this box. Over on the right, you can see each type of format rules that must be used for various questions. For true and false, you can see that the question text has to be listed followed by the answer. In the example, you see the question is water consists of hydrogen and oxygen followed by the word true on a new line. This is the format that must be used. Students will see the question and still get the option to select false, but the Importer tool must know the answers. Each question has different format rules. Multiple choice must list the question, with an asterisk on the left of the answer as shown in this example. You can mix and match your questions from Word. Just be sure to follow each format rule for each question. Now, let's open my Word file. Following the proper question format rules, have my multiple choice questions with the answer identified with the asterisk beside them. I will add the true and false as well, just so you see that it will also import that into the question library. Quizzes in D2L are automatically generated with numbers, so it's best to import questions with no numbering. Once your format is ready, numbers are removed. I will copy and paste this into the Importer tool. Notice that the number has imported for this question. You may run into a few times where you will still have some minor tweaking to do. I'm going to go through my questions and do a spot check to see if they look okay. I make sure the question appears on one line, followed by each possible answer on each separate lines, and the asterisk identifying the answer. Sometimes you will have an extra line space between questions. Be sure to remove that extra space. I have seen too that some symbols can cause import issues. The % symbol can cause issues as well as the hashtag. Just be cautious when importing questions with symbols, so you make sure they import correctly. I will remove the number from this question. At the end of my questions, I like to put my cursor behind the last letter, and then click Delete on my keyboard to remove any end spaces. I'm satisfied with my format, and now I will click Convert. My import was saved as a CSV file that we will use to import. Access your course. Click Quizzes and Question Library. Depending on your question library, you may already have a folder structure. If you do, access the folder where these new questions will reside. If not, you can create one as I will here. Select Import and select Upload a file. Select Browse Files and find the CSV file you just created. Select Open and your upload begins. Select Import All, and now all questions are added to the question library. Let's do a spot check. I see that symbol did import. Sometimes you may run into issues where a few questions did not import. This can be tricky, but what I recommend is spending more time in your Word file and removing any extra spaces as possible. If you run into issues, be sure to reach out to us for a hand. Now that your questions are added to the library, check out the other videos about building your quizzes. Thanks for watching.